Welcome. My name is Sylvia Russell, and today we're going to help you learn how to promote long, strong, healthy African American hair. Now, many things that can be done to promote long and healthy hair. First thing is first, check your diet. Make sure you're eating healthy foods. Number 2, shampooing and conditioning regularly. Taking care of the scalp is vital. Making sure it's free of debris, dryness, and itchy flaking scales. One good thing to do when you're trying to grow healthy hair is to take vitamins. You can get vitamins at any of your grocery stores, your vitamin health stores, and even some of your beauty supply stores. They make products specifically for the growth of hair. Products that contain biotin, vitamin B, C, and E are all good for the growth of strong, healthy hair. Remember, shampooing and conditioning regularly. We don't want the hair to get too dry because once the hair becomes dry, it begins to break, and we can't have that. Keeping your hair tied up at night, wrapping it up with a scarf, and doing as less as possible to it can help promote long hair. Again, making sure that your scalp is clean, making sure that your hair is not dry, and taking vitamins is vital to grow long, healthy, strong African American hair. Also, remember to eat healthy. Include fruits and vegetables. Drink your milk. Thank you. My name is Sylvia, and happy growing.